Hey, it's Ivy Slater. So this week I want to talk to you about how to stay relevant in your business. So we were just doing our planning on our podcast scheduling, and we have a lot of great content already lined up and people really asking to be part of her success story. But I'm not ready to record content too far out because we have business situations in flux. A lot that we're going to be learning in the next few months actually, on how we're going to be doing business. Meaning, are we going back to the offices? Are we working from home longer? How we're running our teams and what we're learning from the work at home experience. Because of this, I think it's really important to stay relevant. Understand what you can do in the next 30 days. I've devoted the month of May, and I wrote about this just the other day, on mini May goals. So what are we accomplishing now? We're keeping things short and sweet, and most importantly, actionable. I know I want my content, I want my conversations to be relevant. Think about in your business how you can be staying relevant right now. What are some of the things you're going to be doing in marketing? What are some of the sales conversations you're going to be looking at? What are some of your projections, plans, and new ideas moving forward? We're developing some new things as well right now with Slater Success, which is really exciting, and I can't wait to share more with you. But keep them relevant. Develop, stay in possibility, see opportunity, and most important, stay relevant in where things are today. So tip for right now, look 30, top 60 days out, short, actionable goals, plans, and execution. See you next time.